Well, good evening. You've discovered Shelter-in-Place Theatre. Welcome to this evening's, or maybe this afternoon. Well, it could even be this morning, or maybe the late morning, or early afternoon, perhaps, or it could even be tonight. Well, whatever time it is. Welcome to this production of The Raven versus the Birds, COVID edition. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping. We're talking about crows, seabirds, robins, sparrows. I mean, you think a man could...